So guys, here we have Apple TV remote. It's an old one. It's from Apple TV 3, and it cannot be charged by cable as in Apple TV 4. So how do you charge it? So the way it works, you just need to change a battery in this remote. So we will try to do that. So this battery costs just around $1. You need to purchase it. Just be careful with its number. It should be ending with 32 because I just purchased another battery and it didn't work. So let's try it and insert this battery into Apple TV remote. So how to open it? You need to insert something and just scroll like this. And then you will be able to open and get this battery. Here you can check the battery number. So as you can see, it's CR2032, 3 volt. So I just purchased the same battery. Let's try it. So here is new battery, and then we just need to put it here and close with it. And now, as you can see, it seems to work. So I'm just trying now with YouTube, and it works just fine. So this is how to change battery on all Apple TV Remote 3. Thanks for watching.